What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block phone numbers on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone or any other Android phone. Simply click on the phone app guys and you want to go to recent to find those phone number that has recently called you that you want to block, right? And I'm going to show you other ways as well. Now, once you find that number that you want to block, simply tap on that number. Then you click on these three lines to the right hand side. That will take you into more details here. Then at the bottom, you will find block. So you simply tap on block and you can block that phone number, right? Now, the other way is by simply going into your phone settings. So you can simply go back to your keypad, click the three that's on the uppermost right hand side, then click on settings. Then from here, guys, third option down, you will find block numbers. You can tap on that. From here, you can type in a phone number and add it to the block list, or you can simply go to contacts. You can find that number within your contact list and then select that number and you can add it to the block list. Now you'll find all of those numbers in the block list here, and at any point in time you want to remove one, you can just simply click the minus sign towards the right hand side of a phone number and it will be removed. And as you can see there, you can now receive call from that particular number. And that's all there is to it, guys.